guys, this is Windows Vista has been installed on my computer, but this is not a real computer. This is the virtual machine, guys. If you want to try it, get the link in the description. You will find the video how to install Windows on virtual machine. It's VMware, bro. If you don't like VMware, you can try VirtualBox. Yeah, this is the real Windows Vista, but the Windows Vista Home Premium, yeah, because yeah, at here I install only single core of Intel Celeron N3060 1.60 GHz, and RAM is 1.49 GB, and it's 32 bits. And what is this? Oh, what? Active Windows? But I think I just insert the product key. Yeah, I'm very serious with that. I installed product key, and it's already on and right here. But guys, I'm sorry for my bad mix. Here, yeah, this is the virtual machine, guys. Don't, yeah, you know, you can see this. This is my real Windows. I'm using Windows 10 here. Just I'm sorry because outside here is very, yeah, very loud out there. Where is control panel? I'm serious, guys. This is the product key. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. But here I'm using Windows 10, my friend. Okay. Right here. And there. Yeah, can you guys see it? Okay, there it is. The CPU is N3060 1.6 GHz and 3.82 GB is visible. I don't know, and it's 64 GB, 64-bit. I mean, yeah, I will prove it. It's dual core. This computer. I just installed one CPU. Yeah, one core. Right there, one socket to cross two logical processors. Yeah, that means to cross and to thread. Yeah, let's install some. Sorry, let's install some software on this virtual machine. Let's go. Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Now for the installation right here, I have AIM, Chrome, CPZ, IDE, yeah, Java, Force, VLC, and WinRAR. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right here. I'm sorry because the outside is so loud. So let's just install this thing. What's the AIM? Okay, I'm sorry. My sister. Hello, of course. Guys, I think I will make it do time. Okay guys, this is I have some problem with this thing. I cannot install Google Chrome here, yeah, because I want to install Chrome, because I have this IDM right here. Yeah, IDM right here. I show you. This is the real IDM. Okay, just look at this thing. Okay, we'll move it on the system, and yeah, wait, just wait a minute. The output is very loud, so I'm sorry. Right here, I want to extra. Guys, I'm sorry if you don't understand what is the language, because I'm Indonesian, okay? And I'm sorry too if my English was bad. Okay, right here is the IDM, bro. Okay, when I give it to you, here. This is the IDM from Get.me. Start on English, and then next English, yeah. Next. Okay, I want to do this thing. This virtual machine. I put 100 GB on this thing. Oh yeah, about the Chrome. I cannot install the Google Chrome. Yeah, I'm sorry. Because this thing, when I open the setup, the test manager, please. I will move the test manager here, and this thing, yeah, this thing will be happening. I don't know why. Okay, actually don't know what is going on. When I go to refresh it here, then it was not refresh. I still. This is what I mean. Right there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think I don't want to install my Chrome right here, but I already have Chrome. And I think I can use the worst thing ever, the Internet Explorer. Yeah, I really hate the thing. Oh my god! Yeah! Okay, it's closed finally. Okay. I think my journey here is finished. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.